As you can see, we are logged into our AWS console. In order to rename a instance, let's go ahead and click a instance ID. And from here, we want to go down to tags and then manage tag. So at this point, I can remove that value altogether or make it something that's more meaningful to me. So I'll do KMG web 1. I'm lazy, so I'm going to copy and paste. And then I want to save that. And then the same thing for my second node here. So select instance ID, come down to tags, and then manage tag, and do KMG web 2. Hit save. Alright, that's it. That is how you rename a instance in EC2 on the AWS console.